Welcome to AZ Solutions, converting text to smart art graphics. If you type some text, some bulleted information, you might then look back at your presentation and say, well, it looks a little bit boring. There's a few things that you can do. We'll start off by converting the text into a smart art graphic, but I'll also show you the design ideas feature as well. So I'll just duplicate this slide so we can use this as our example as well for both. So first, if you want to convert this to smart art graphics, select the bulleted area and come into the icon here for smart art graphics, and then you can choose to convert it to any that you like. At first, you're going to be presented with various different styles. Now, if you don't like any of these styles, they don't suit what you're trying to express, come down to more smart art graphics and then choose from, let's say, list option. And from the list option, you can then come and choose from a variety here. You won't be getting a preview like we do in most Microsoft Office situations. In this one, you will have to select, hit OK, and then see the change that's made. Once the change is made, you'll get this little window here that appears. So if you need to add more, you simply treat it like a normal bulleted area by hitting enter and then type another piece of text. Now, if this window doesn't come up immediately when you get to the smart art graphic, what you can do is select the smart art graphics and you'll see a little triangle just over the edge here. Click on it and it will allow you to continue to enter data, or if you need to get rid of one, you can simply go back, just like working with regular bullets. Now, whilst that's not a bad style or design here, if you use the let's take a look here. If we use design ideas, it comes up with some solutions that are not available in the smart art graphic. So if I click on design ideas, you will need to have internet access in order for this to work, and it'll give you a whole bunch of different layout options that are not part of the standard layout options that you're going to see here. So if I choose this one now, you can see it's converted that for me instead of me manually thinking of a different design that's not available in Smart Art, such as the circle and then inserting the shape and then lining it all up and so forth. There's another design here that looks pretty good. Again, with this one here, it's not one of these that are offered in the standard Smart Art graphics option as well. It does look nice and simple, but they've thought of the idea for us. And that's what's nice about the design ideas concept. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions. Remember to subscribe. And we also offer virtual training sessions as well.